Hey guys, this is Abhishek and you're watching my channel One Day Batting. Today I came up with a new shortcut method of integration to calculate a standard format. And let's begin the video. First of all, I want to say you what is that standard format. That is integration ax plus b upon cx plus d dx, and this is the standard format, right? When you come across these type of questions, you can use this formula, that is ax upon c minus AD minus BC upon C square times log denominator part, that is Cx plus D plus C. Here C is constant of integration, right? Yes guys, you can use this formula, then you will get answer within seconds. And let's see this with examples, right? Okay, I'm taking an example. 2x plus 3 upon 7x plus 5 dx. To calculate, first you have to compare the coefficient of x and constant times, so that you will get the values of a, b, c, d, and you will substitute them over here to get the final answer, right? Here a equal to 2, right, and b equal to 3, and c is equals to 7, and d equal to 5, right? And I'm substituting these values over here, right? 2x upon 7 minus, here a value is 2 multiplied with d, that is 5, right, minus what is the value of b, that is 3, right, times 7, right, upon here c square, that is 7 square, which is equals to 49, right? Here log mod of, you have to write the denominator part, right, that is 7x plus 5 plus constant, and our final answer is 2x upon 7 minus 10 minus 21, which is equals to minus 11, right? Here minus into minus plus, so plus 21 upon 49 log mod 7x plus 5 plus c, right? And here is our final solution. Here log to the base e, so you can write natural logarithm also, that is ln. Yeah, okay guys, I want to say you one thing. In the exams you may not get the problems as this, like you may get in this way also, that is 9 minus 17x upon 3x plus 11 dx. Here the question is not in the format, not in this format, right? You have to convert this into standard form if you want to apply this formula, right? I'm converting that. Here I'm taking minus common here. We get 17x minus 9 upon 3x plus 11. Here we got the standard format which we have here, right? Now you can apply this formula to this question. First you have to compare the terms, right? Here a is equals to 17, right? And b is equals to minus 9 and c is equals to 3 and d is equals to 11. By substituting these values over here, you will get answer within seconds, right? That's all for the video, guys. If you like my explanation, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and tap on bell icon to get all notifications. And finally, thank you so much for watching.